Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Jenny Beauty in a Minute. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about another Kate Somerville product. Kate Somerville is quite a newish brand in my channel. And I think I've only done one product review from her, and that is her goat's milk cream cleanser. And I love that goat's milk cream cleanser. So if you're someone looking for a gentle cream cleanser, you've got dry skin, I highly recommend that. So this will be my second product review for the Kate Somerville brand. And today, this is her Mega A Skin Transforming Serum. And this is her Retinal product. I have been into my Retinal products lately. I find that my skin just tolerate retinol better than retinol. And I am seeing all the skin transforming benefits of retinol or retinaldehyde. So yeah, I have really loved using retinaldehyde lately. Yeah, so I have done a bit of switching in my skincare routine from retinol to retinaldehyde or retinol. And this is Kate Somerville's Retinal product. It doesn't specify the percentage of retinol in the ingredients, so I presume this is low-strength retinol, which is anywhere from 0.01 to 0.05%. 0.05 is considered mid-strength, and 0.1 or 0.2 is considered high-strength. And this is what the product looks like inside the packaging. So this is a very solid glass jar, and the color is blue. So as you can see, yeah, it's quite watery. It's a watery serum. And you can also see the color is almost like a yellowish green, a yellowish lime green. And the scent is very neutral. I just love this neutral scent. Yeah, I mean, Kate Somerville's product doesn't contain any perfume, alcohol, paraben, or sulfate. It's a beautiful serum. It's easily absorbed. No scent, and I find that it sits nicely under any moisturizer. What I do is, after I cleanse my face at night, spray with my essence spray. I'll put on this retinol onto my face. Just spread a thin layer all over my face, moisturizer, and then I go to bed. One of my top tips for using retinol or retinol product is don't mix it with anything else. Just use your retinol or retinol on its own. No AHAs, no vitamin C, no nothing. Just wash your face. You can use a hydrating spray, give a bit of hydration, and then your retinol or retinol. Thin layer, moisturizer, and then go to bed. What I try to do as well is to leave a couple of minutes before each application. Just let that initial wetness dry a little bit, settle onto your skin a little bit. It's just a trick that I do, and I find that it's just allow the initial serum to be fully absorbed into your skin and start doing all the anti-aging works before I put the moisturizer on top. The ingredients, so you've got retinaldehyde or retinol, low strength, dimethicone, panthenol, adenosine, rosehip seed oil, potassium cetylphosphate, hydrogenated olive oil, saccharomyces ferment filtrate. So it mainly has that retinol and fruit seed oil. So it doesn't have a whole lot of other super anti-aging ingredients. But I do like using this product, to be honest. Yeah, I have enjoyed using this product. And I find that it does give that brightening and lightening on my skin. It does hydrate my skin. It doesn't dry my skin out. And I do wake up with a clearer, brighter face. Yeah, I have really enjoyed using this. This is not a bad product whatsoever. And yeah, Kate Somerville's products are not the cheapest. So this is 30 mils for $148. Available here at the Mecca Stores. The Mecca Stores here in New Zealand and Australia do stock the full range of the Kate Somerville products. And yeah, $148 for 30 mils. Not the cheapest, but I have enjoyed using it, and I do like it. And I find that it's working as well as my Allies of Skin 0.05% retinaldehyde product. I mean, this is not too far behind. It has equally lightened and brightened my skin. If you have dry skin, because of some of the oil content here, it's really suitable for those with mature skin. So if you have dry skin, you've got mature skin, and you're looking for something that will genuinely transform your skin, delaying the aging process, then start with a low-strength retinol, which is this product here. Yeah, this is a genuinely good product. Not the cheapest, but yeah, you can try it out. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please list them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.